Welcome to Trumark. Today we are going to demonstrate a semi-automatic gravity-based liquid filling machine. This machine is a level-based filler works on air trapping principle. We can fill any volume of product without any change parts by simply adjusting the nozzle tip inside the bottle. The machine have an overhead tank of 100-liter capacity to store product. You can pour the product manually or by a pump operated automatically with a float type level sensor. There are not much piping in this machine. The product directly goes from tank to nozzle filled in bottles. Avoid longer travel. Hence it keeps product hygienic. It's very easy to clean. Its design also makes sure no wastage of product at all. Due to its simple feature, this machine is very suitable for product like milk, wine, juices or any liquid which is highly perishable. Let's see the operation part. This is a pneumatic machine, needs compressed air supply. Operator need to place bottles on the base, pull the level switch to activate the cylinders. Bottles moves up, open nozzle valves to start filling. The silicone rubber at nozzle head assure air is trapped, goes out only from the air vent of nozzles. The liquid start replacing the surface till the air vent is covered by liquid. No more air can flow out. Once the filling complete, operator can push back the level to take bottles down. The nozzle design assures no dripping at all. We are very flexible to understand, ready to customize this machine as per the demand of your product filling application. To know more about this machine, please do WhatsApp us on +9 17977232678 or email info@trumarkindia.com. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.